Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Could this be the phone of 2018? What's up guys, my name is Denis and you are welcome to another episode. Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Can this phone be the best of the 2018? Let's see. Totally new design, 3 new cameras, bigger battery, and the first among the biggest companies with the on-screen fingerprint. Also, the first Android phone with the 3D face recognition. Now before we continue, if you're gonna enjoy this video, don't forget to press on the like button down below, and of course, if you are not yet, consider to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks. Now let's jump into all those specifications. Kirin 980, first ever designed 7nm mobile chip is alive. It bumps so much in performance that I was like, what? When I watched the live presentation. So many new features, so many upgrades. It was hard to believe that this is even possible in 2018. 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, plus nano SD card. That's something new by Huawei. And let's move on. 3 cameras, from which main camera is wide 40 megapixels camera. What? The secondary is ultra wide 20 megapixels camera. What? And the third is telephoto 8 megapixels camera. The next thing is front notch. Notch. This time, notch is here for a reason. There are a lot of sensors for facial recognition, which is that much safe that can be used for payments. New to Android phones, indeed. And here is amazing 24 megapixels front-facing selfie camera. Woohoo! And battery 4200. 4200 mAh battery, plus wireless charging, plus reverse charging. Basically that means that you can wirelessly charge another phone that supports wireless charging. Now this is amazing, isn't it? And here we have ultra fast charging with 40 watts charger. You can literally see how fast the battery percentage goes up. In just 30 minutes it is charged up to 70%. But you need to remember the capacity of battery. And before I finish, fingerprint reader. On screen, a reasonably fast fingerprint reader with pretty new technology. And for the first time, on one of the bigger companies. Yeah, I know, we can expect pretty much same technology on OnePlus 60 in 2 weeks. But we will talk about that when the time is right. These are my impressions so far about new Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And I'm pretty sure that this will be my next new phone. I'm gonna buy it on 5th of November when it comes to Slovenia. And then I will do a full review about it. That's it for today guys, thank you for staying with me. Again, if you enjoyed in this video, don't forget to press on the like button down below, and if you're not subscribed yet, consider to subscribe it. Until the next time, stay in love. Peace!